Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer about this one. The first thing, y multiplied by sy to the power of 5 and number 1 in here. So later that we divide both sides by y to the power of 6 in here. So we can see that we have 1 over y to the power of 5 and first the derivative of y over y to the power of 6. This one that is about Bernoulli's equations. So in this one I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y to the power of 5. And this one in here we can put into negative y to the power of negative number 5 because we have the formula in here. That is this one with the negative on the power in here. Now we do first the derivative of this one. So we have the negative sign from here. And this one we have negative number 5 y to the power of negative number 6 and we have first the derivative of y. And if we look carefully, this one in here, we can transform back from this one. Negative and negative, we have positive number 5. So, because in here we don't have number 5, just like this. So we divide both sides by number 5. So we have this one. Now, this one in here, we transform back to v. So we have s plus v. This one in here, we need to transform this one in here into this one. Now, we put v go to the left. So, we multiply both sides by number 5. So, we have this equation. So, if we look carefully, we have first our original of v and first the derivative of v in here. This is about linear. ODE, that is about ordinary differential equation. So we need to find about integrating factor. So in this case, we need to find about mu s. That is about e to the power of the integration. We can see that negative number 5 next to v in here. So we put negative number 5 go in this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 5s. And now we multiply both sides by e to the power of negative 5s go in here. Now, we put the integration for the both sides. So, for this one, we can apply the product rule of the derivative. So, we have first the derivative of y, that is about like this. Now, if we look carefully, this is about first the derivative of a multiplied by eb, that is about e to the power of negative 5s. This one in here, that is about first the derivative of b, that's it from here. So that's why we have negative number 5 e to the power of negative 5s, and a, that is about v in here. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. Now, if we apply the formula in here, you got about ve to the power of negative 5s. For this one, I will show the technique how to do this integration. So, for this one, we can use about integration by parts. So, we put about u equals to 5s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about e to the power of negative 5s. The integration of this one in here, that is about negative 1 over 5 e to the power of negative 5s. This is for v. Now, we have u multiplied by v. So number 5 multiplied by negative 1 over 5. We got cancel number 5 in here. And we have negative sign. So we have s e to the power of negative 5s minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So number 5 cancel number 5, negative in here. With the negative in here, we have positive. So we just have like this, the s combined to this one. That's why we have this one in here. Now, we got the final answer. And we need to copy this one, go in here. So after we got everything about v, we need to go back to this one. So we need to change back to negative 1 over y to the power of 5. And this is the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.